shahardaman. Shaharda bunchalik daraxtlarga e'tibor katta. Ob-havo juda ham issiqligini mana futbolkaga o'tib oldim. Qo'yisha dedim. Juda ham terlatvoradi havo. Yaxshi ham futbolka olganim. O'zlaringiz so'nerlar olsalar bo'ladigan joy. Ko'rishlar mumkin. Ko'pincha bu yerda diniy haykalchalar ko'p ekan. Sababini bilmadim. Lekin kishinasini olib turdim. Olishga berishmadi chunki eng kami 5 yevrolik kartadan to'lov qilish kerak ekan. Menda kartam naqdim yo'qligi uchun kartadan olishimga to'g'ri keldi. Lekin bu narsani sinab ko'rmasdan ketgim kelmadi. Mayli endi sinab ko'rib test qilib aytaman sizlarga qanaqaligini. Sevilyadagi hostelimga keldim. Ko'rishingiz mumkin eshikda. Center joydan olganman. Hozir qanday kirib ko'ramiz.
Wait a few minutes.
Mana shu holatda bo'ladi. Bizning hostelimiz hozir 2-3 minut kutib turgan ekan. Oshxonasi ham bor ekan. Bu hostelga men 22 yevro to'ladim 2 kechaga. Bu Sevilyaga kuniga necha bilan 11 yevrodan tushyapti. Yomon emas. O'rtacha bo'ladi narxi, yaxshi. Abdulla.
Abdullah,
Subo, yes.
yes. Your room is 5 and the bed is 2. Okay, give me a second. I want to show you your room.
Hi guys. Hola. Şimdi zaman yatağımız sonuç pastaya joy. Bizim kuşamız 2 geceye bo'ladi. This I don't want to miss this. Look, they are laughing from me because of the bulls. I told them about the famous with the bulls, but they are telling me about if you don't fight with bulls in Spain,
You don't graduate.
you don't graduate in university.
You have to fight them in your last year of university.
And you can't leave the rink unless either the bull dies or you die.
Exactly.
That's why we dropped out.
We were tough.
They dropped out the first year. They are telling me, but
Yeah.
liars. No.
We're not lying. You can believe it or you don't.
And I'm telling, should I have to fight with bulls in Erasmus as well? They're saying yes, but when is gonna happen? But they tell me only once a year, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
But
it's the last exam. You pass your exams. You pass your exams and then you fight them.
Can I retake if I gonna
No,
fail?
because you die.
Yeah.
I mean, if you survive, I guess. I don't know. No one has survived that.
Oh, okay.
You'll be the first one to be able to take it.
But the thing is, it's really like the bulls are like they don't like the red color.
They what?
They
It's true, it's true. They don't like it.
Pues yo no sé.
Eso es verdad.
I didn't know about because and also your flag is red. That's
They use the red flag, so they run to.
no. I mean your
Spanish
Spanish flag also red.
yeah.
That's
It's our color.
the blood, you know.
Yeah.
It's your
It's
blood.
our color.
Ishonish qiyin bu parkka. Ataylab shu yo'llarda remont qilishmagan, oddiy qilib qo'yishgan. Nima deydi? Haqiqiy vibe berishlik uchun. Judayam chiroyli haykallar va palma daraxtlar. Hamma joyda mandarinlar. Gap bo'lish mumkin emas. Yana bitta oldin aytganimdaqangi eng kelmoqchi bo'lgan manzillarning o'rtasi. Mana shu sculpture kiyim havorang bilan sariq bu yerda mashhur ekan juda ham. Yerlarda poni mandarina yotibdi. Mana kirish ko'ringlar. Qichuv lekin qichuv. O'qib ko'rardim shu yerda lekin. What are you doing?
Because I thought there was something there that we could see, but there's nothing.
Ah, inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can go up,
Mm-hmm.
and there's something there we can see.
From the top, you mean?
On the left here. I'll go with you when
Okay.
you go.
There is so many doors, this side and this side. Mana shu qasr, shu tashqarida turgan binoyimizning oldida ro'parasida joylashgan qasr. Orqa tarafidan ko'rgandim kecha, old tarafidan ko'rmagandim. Lekin oldingi davrda juda ham boshqacha bo'lgan ekan. This is prestigious.
This is the Holy Week that we celebrate here in Seville, in the south. And this is a procession, which is the same as
Oh, the
this.
same thing.
It's the same thing.
But still, you're gonna celebrate like
Oh,
this.
yes.
Okay.
Every year for the whole week
When?
in Holy Week in Easter.
In Easter. Okay. It means like in
The death.
spring.
Like in March, April.
Yeah, spring.
Yeah, spring.
Eng seviladigan eng mashhur joy garden, ya'ni bog'. Bizga kelyapmiz. Mana shu Alhazarda ichida joylashgan. Tayyormisizlar? Dadam. Mana shu joy Andalusiyadagi eng mashhur joylardan biri bo'lib, ko'rib turganlaringda o'rtadan bitta ham suv o'tgan, keyin bitta daraxtlar, bu ham mandarin daraxti. Va arxitektura shu o'zimizni musulmon davridan qolgan. Bu Sevilliyadagi eng mashhur, eng sentrdagi bank, Sevilla banki. Va mana bu yerda Christmas ko'chasi. Mana bu yerda bolalar muzikaga taylanyapti. Mana bu Town Hall, Sevilliyadagi bo'lmadi ma'nosini. Lekin bu yerda yana qurilish, bu yerda ham qurilish, lekin mana bu bino juda ham chiroyli binolar ekan. Bu joy biz hozirgina Alhazardan chiqdik. Alhazardan chiqqanda shundaygina yo'lak bor. Mana ko'rib turgan bo'lsalaring, mana shu Christmas yo'lagiga eng chiroyli ko'cha. Dekabr oyi yaqinlashgani uchun mana ko'chani bezab qo'yishgan. Orqada remont ketib yana muzika qo'yishdi hozirgina. Juda shovqin. Xo'sh. Mana bu shakldagi daraxtlar juda ham yoqdi menga va mana fontan va bank ajoyib.
Oh, mama.
No era que va a comer churro ese que ha puesto.
¿Qué?
No era de que va a comer churro ese que ha puesto. Qué mal.
What's the rate?
8.5.
8.5. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Ruben.
Oh, wait.
This was 5. Bien. Muy bien. Bien. 8. Okay.
9.
Oh.
Now you.
No.
Shall I do a video of you?
Let's try. Because Ruben give 9. I'm just shocked now.
Gracias. ¿Qué aje tiene?
Mana bu narsa pirashkaga o'xshar ekan. O'zimiz pirashkaga shokolad qo'shib yeyotganda. O'zimizni maktabda pirashkani shokoladga chiqqani bir yoshligim paytimda. O'shani eslaganday bo'ldim hozir. Xo'p, men necha beraman bunga? 9 beraman. Yoshligimni eslatgani uchun.
Por eso no me quería dar el canal.